Hi everyone, this is Ryan with Giant Loop. I'm here to show you our redesigned 2019 Giant Loop Pannier Mounts. As you can see here, they're pannier mounts that go on side luggage racks. We designed them to work with 16 to 18 millimeter diameter round tubing racks. Majority of the OEM and aftermarket racks fit our mounts. You'll see lots of different adjustments for widths and heights. 2 feet there and a clasp. Super simple. It goes right on. As you can see here, it works with hard boxes, Mototrekks, Round the World Panniers. This year we updated the plates with the more mounting positions, a little bit thicker plate for more stability, and added a few more mounting holes. So it's a little bit stronger, doesn't have much weight, very reliable product. It's our 2nd year in production, and these are available now. I'm going to show you how we have adapted our pannier mounts to work on these generic side luggage boxes, as you can see there. Super simple. Locked on, ready to go. You can also lock the clasp so it doesn't come off. So, quick release mounting for hard boxes, really easy to get into. Available now. So as you can see, our new pannier mounts are developed to work with the Mototrekk Panniers. You have 4 attachment points there, and then you can take the top straps, go over the rack, so you have 6 connection points. You'll see really quick on and off. See, it's locked on there, and then you want to go into your hotel, you want to go to your campsite. Super simple. Pop them off, you're good to go. Hey everyone, as you can see, I'm holding our world famous 90 liters as a pair Round the World Panniers. As you can see, I've bolted and attached our pannier mounts to the Round the World Panniers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mounting points. There's a nice solid frame sheet inside the bag. This works with our luggage as well as competitors' brands, so if you don't like their quick release options, please check ours out. I'm going to show you how to install it. Super fast, super easy. Done. Not going anywhere. It's lockable, and then when you want to go inside or go to your campsite, one lever, and you're off. So you're good to go.